2023 Nissan Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport. I have no idea what is going on here, but they have these giant splash guards on the bottom of this brand new vehicle. And tell me, you guys tell me, what is that protecting? What is it protecting when it's over here? Yes, I can kind of understand. You got the gas and brake lines, sure, whatever. But it's not protecting anything there. So it's purely cosmetic. And when we took them down, because it's still brand new, we had a bunch of rocks in there, and in the winter it's just going to be a bunch of rock salt. It doesn't make any sense. I don't know why they're doing it. And plus, I don't even know what this is. Is it a Nissan? Is it a Volkswagen? Somebody please explain this to me. Come visit us in Niagara, your one and only stop for perfect rust check jobs. We're going to take the time to take all the clips down and put them all back up, even though, it's kind of frustrating sometimes. Look us up, Niagara Rust Check.